Welcome to another video lecture series on circuit analysis. I'm Dr. Vinod. The question here is derive an expression for a transition current, voltage, and the energy stored in the inductor of RL transient circuits, which is excited by a DC source. So this is how the diagram. So you're having a DC source which is closed at t is equal to 0, and you have a R and L are connected in series. So whenever the switch is closed, I can write V is equal to VR plus VL. That is the voltage across the resistance and the voltage across the inductance. So voltage across the resistance, I can write it as IR, and the voltage across the inductance VL, I can write it as L into DI divided by dt. So therefore, V minus IR divided by L is equal to dI by dt on rearranging this two equations. So further, I am going to rearrange this equation as integral of dt by L is equal to 1 divided by VA minus IR into dI integral. That is, it ranges from 0 to I, and here also it ranges from 0 to t. So once if I integrate 1 divided by L, I taking it constant t, I will get plus C is a constant that is equal to minus ln of V minus IR. And if I integrate with respect to I will get 1 by R, right? So now, in order to find the value of C, what I'm going to use, I'm going to use the initial conditions by substituting T is equal to 0, I is equal to 0. So in the equation, substituting the equation, the 2 in 1. Okay. So because whenever the switch is open, I is equal to 0. So if I substitute in the first equation, I will get 0 by L plus C is equal to minus ln of V divided by R. So C is equal to minus ln V divided by R. So substitute this third equation in the first equation. So I will get T divided by L minus ln V divided by R is equal to minus ln of V minus IR divided by R. So for this solving, T divided by L is equal to minus ln V minus IR divided by R plus ln into V divided by R. 1 by R taking common, so ln V divided by V minus IR, because minus of ln will be come to the denominator, that is equal to T divided by L. So rearranging this equation, R divided by L into T is equal to ln V divided by V minus IR. So if I substitute time constant tau is equal to LR, so T divided by tau is equal to ln V divided by V minus IR. So what is minus T divided by tau? It is equal to ln of V minus IR divided by V. So once if I take the exponential on both sides, e power minus T divided by tau is equal to V minus IR divided by V. So therefore, V into e power minus T divided by tau is equal to V minus IR. So V minus V into e power minus T divided by tau is equal to IR. So I can write I is equal to V, if I take V common, V divided by R into 1 minus e power minus T divided by tau. So this is your I of T. Since I is changing with respect to time, right? So I'm going to take IF is equal to V divided by R. So I of T is equal to IF into 1 minus e power minus T divided by tau was derivation. Okay. So we know that VL is equal to L di by dt. That is di of T divided by dt. So if I differentiate with respect to T, the above equation, I will get before that I of T is equal to V of VR minus VR into e power minus T divided by tau. So L into, if I differentiate with respect to dt. So v by r goes to 0 and minus vr divided by r into e power minus t divided by tau into minus 1 divided by tau was my answer. So what is tau? Tau is L divided by R. So the L divided by R and L divided by R get cancelled out and you will get only V. So what is VL? VL is equal to V into e power minus t divided by tau. So if I substitute t is equal to 0, VL becomes V and t is equal to infinity at steady state, VL is equal to 0. And we know that VR is equal to I into R. What is I of t? I of t is V divided by R minus V divided by R into e power minus t divided by tau. So I'm going to multiply R. So R and R get cancelled out. So VR is equal to V into 1 minus e power minus t divided by tau. So at t is equal to 0, VR is equal to 0. At t is equal to infinity, VR is equal to V. And there are next they are asked to find the energy that is stored in the inductor. So W is equal to 1 by 2 into L into I square. So 1 by 2 into L I square, I am going to substitute as V divided by R into 1 minus e power minus t divided by tau the whole square. Next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to substitute at t is equal to infinity. So if t is equal to infinity, e power minus tau is 0. So I will get W is equal to 1 divided by 2 into L V divided by R the whole square. So this is my maximum value. So at t is equal to infinity, I will get the maximum value. Okay. So if you want, you can substitute t is equal to 0 or say. But there is no use. So I hope this video is useful for you. And this question is they have asked in the last year basic electrical and electronic circuits. So if you like this video, you share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.